Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Mr. Beast Among Us crewmate. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, by the way. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker, which you can buy anywhere. Like, they're available pretty much any store. If not, check the link in my description. Also, I'm going to be using this regular computer paper. One thing about this is you can use anything you want. You can use a pencil, a pen, doesn't matter. I'm just using this because it looks great on camera, and that is it. Also, you don't have to do this with me. You can watch, enjoy, just kind of chill out, kind of absorb the vibes, right? Or you can do it with me. So, or watch, then do it with me. All right, let's go. The Mr. Beast version. This is going to be more animal-like, by the way. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go right in the face first. So, I'm going to put a dot right here for the face. Kind of like a circle there, right? Just like a circle for that eye. You know, it's going to be turned a little bit differently this time. Then, going to go over here and draw like a W shape over here for the cute, mouth. Boom. Want to make it cuter. Boom. For that mouth, it's like a W shape. Going to go to the end of the nose here, and I'm going to draw like a square here for the nose. Kind of like a square shape. There you go. Kitty cat, square shape, because he's got that lion thing, right? That saber-toothed tiger thing. I'm not sure what that is. Line. Side of his face. Right here. Another bump right here for the brow, because his eye is on the far side, so we're not going to really be able to see it. Pulling straight up again for the forehead. Really simple stuff. Don't worry about it. And let's draw his teeth. Right, for the rar, that kind of thing. Right here, these little triangles downward right here. Yeah, that looks adorable, right? I'm digging this. Okay. Sweet. And we're going to go out here and draw the tongue. Just a circle right there. We're going to draw like a silly tongue because we want to make like a, cuter version of the symbol. Okay. Let's go up here. We're going to pull up, back. See, up, back in this tiny triangle shape for the ear. Keep curving for the top of the head. And then we're going to go this side, draw another triangle on that far end. Gosh, this is fun. Fun. Yeah. Well, it's fun for me. Hopefully it's like fun for you. And then we're going to... So what we're going to do here, I'm sorry if I'm going too quick, please do me a huge favor and, pause, rewind, do that kind of stuff. So now what we're going to do is he has this kind of mane, right? This little, not mane per se, but he's got this fuzzy hair kind of around a lot of his head. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put that in there. We're going to draw, well, first thing I'm going to draw a straight line over here. But down here at the bottom, I'm going to draw that fuzzy hair area. Yeah, fuzzy mane thing. So these zigzag patterns, and it's going to go all the way around here, okay? So let's say here, boom. See that zigzag pattern? Yeah, that zigzag pattern. And we're going to draw the lower jaw, by the way, of the line of the tiger jaguar thing that he has. Okay. So let's draw the biggest thing, which is that lightning bolt in the eye. So I'm going to draw a zigzag pattern over here. Zig. Right? Just that zigzag pattern. We're drawing like a cartoonier version of it. We did have to draw through that line. Not a big deal. All right, so we have that zigzag lightning bolt coming from his eye. So this looks more like a teddy bear version of Mr. Beast logo. And so now what we're going to do is draw the Among Us body, right? The crewmate, the imposter crewmate body, right? So I'm going to curve a line back here for the back of the head here. So now we continue. If you've ever watched the other ones, it's like the same thing. I have so many Among Us tutorials on this channel. Right? So many. Yeah. I have so many. So now you know how to draw the body. If you've been on this channel any longer than like a week, you will know exactly how to draw the crewmate body. If you're not on this channel already, hit that subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I go over it all the time. If you like Among Us, if you like Mr.Beast, if you like, what else? If you like Fortnite, if you like Pokemon, if you like Dragon Ball, if you like Looney Tunes, anything of that sort, I draw a lot of that stuff all the time, okay? Just hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. I'm going to pull down over here, draw a straight line down to the feet area, because that's what we're doing next. We're doing the feet, all right? Over here, near the front, I'm going to draw the front of the body right there, straight line down as well. Because these crewmates, right, have these pillow-like bodies. So I'm going to draw a curve for the bottom right here for one of the feet, one of the legs, pulling up. So that looks like a marshmallow, right? Remember, I like changing up what we call these things. The reason I like doing that is because it helps you remember. If I say, oh, draw the leg, you're like, okay, yeah, whatever. But if I tell you draw a marshmallow, you're going to know it's like a blocky form right there, right? Stuck to another marshmallow. Go over here. Draw these two marshmallow legs. Yeah, we're taking power. So, like I said, it's really to remember. That's the biggest thing. To remember, because that's the whole point of this, right? You want to remember it in the future. Okay, so now I'm going to go about eye level, maybe below eye level, and I'm going to mark right here. I'm going to mark it because that's where I'm going to put the backpack. And then around the lower waist here, I'm going to draw another mark. So I have my two marks, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a line, curve all the way down. All right, ready? Let's go. Yeah, so that looks like a loaf of bread stuck on a human's back. That is what that looks like, okay? That is totally a loaf of bread. Wow. Like a new loaf of bread, you know, not one that you cut up already, right? Like the sandwiches, not like that, but the one that's already in one big loaf before you cut it up for the sandwiches. Okay, that's it. You got through the whole thing. It's simple. It's easy. You got through this whole thing, and you are amazing, okay? If you got through this whole thing, pat yourself on the back. Even if you just watched it. If you just watched it, pat yourself on the back, because no one makes it to the end. Nobody ever makes it to the end of the video, but you did. You're amazing. If you did, hit that share button. So share the video. Sharing is caring, because every time you share the video, it brings back this huge boost of positive energy, and I absolutely love that. Hopefully I'm not yelling to the mic here. God, I'm talking real loud. But anyways, that's it. I have hour-long lessons for beginners on different topics on my Skillshare. So I'm going to put that link in the description. For example, I will give you a lesson on drawing a dragon, right? Drawing your own dragon. I'm going to tell you how I go through and draw a dragon and teach you how you can do it. That is an hour-long lesson that is not on here. It's on Skillshare. And right now, when you sign up for Skillshare, it will give you 2 months free, I believe. So you can see anything on there, including everything I have. So there's stuff like, other stuff I have would be like anatomy lessons for beginners, how to draw portraits, how to draw cartoons in general. All of that stuff is on my Skillshare. Check that out if you like this. That is it. Don't forget to download that ebook, by the way. I have that as well. That's another little plug. Forgive me, shameless plug. That ebook is on drawing cute stuff. That is it. Say hi to me in the comments section if you got to this point, because nobody ever gets to this point. Say hi to me, and I will say hi back to every single person. Thank you so much. I'm Enrique. This has been Easy Pictures to Draw.